out for a walk in the rain. But it feels like a walk on a mountain, 'cause I'm thinking of you. With the sun blazing hot, touching my skin, yeah. That's when I know I've been missing you since the moment I left home. I know it never looks that way, but I always do. Now I won't live a second without thinking of you. And that's 'cause I know I've got a deck of cards in my pocket and a picture of you by its side. And I bring them up sometimes when I'm sad, and when I do, I forget about my pain. That's when I know the truth is that I enjoy this kind of weather. It calms me down and sets my mind at ease, and it reminds me of evenings we spend alone. That's why I know you're the one who gives me inspiration, gives me courage when I feel alone. And when I finally come home, I'm gonna tell you